That's why when you take Gopi Chand from the Gopi Tala, when you get clay that actually comes from Dwarka, and sometimes there's water in that lake after the rainy season, but if you go there in the winter time, then it's all usually dried up, depending on how hot the summer was, or how, if the summer was hot and there wasn't much rain, then when you go there in the winter, as we did, I went twice, then it's all dried up, the water is dried up, it's not that deep. But you can collect clay there from that lake, and that's where the gopis in their expanded form and their samyogini forms, they went to Dwarka to meet Krishna in this expanded form, and they had some rasa dance there outside of Dwarka and Nava Vrindavan, some expanded forms of the gopis and Krishna. And after the rasa dance, they bathed in this beautiful lake. It's called Gopi Tala. Tala I think means lake. And what happened is that all the kunkum on Radharani and the kasturi and all the unguents and chandan on Krishna's body and camphor, it all washed off their bodies naturally when they took a bath to refresh themselves from fatigue of rasa dancing. And then it filtered down through the waters to the bottom of the lake and mixed in with the clay. And the effect of all those beautiful transcendental unguents and ointments and powders on the bodies of Radha and Krishna that washed off during their Jal Keli after Rasa dance and Nava Vrindavan outside of Dwarka. This is in Padma Puran, it's described.